This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Tuesday, December 13th. Stock Index futures showing some very sharp advances in response to the November CPI report coming in a bit smaller than anticipated, only up 0.1% against the guess of up 0.3%. In fact, this was the fundamental that has affected all of the financial markets. Also, we did have the annualized CPI coming in up 7.1%, that against the guess of up 7.3%. So very strong gains, taking out a major downtrend line in the S&P 500. So the fundamentals and technicals are still improving. Moving over to the currencies, the dollar index very quickly falling, in fact falling to new lows for the move, also in response to the CPI report coming in with just a very small increase. All other currencies trading for the most part higher. And it still appears that the dollar index will continue to work lower as interest rate differential expectations remain bearish for the greenback. And in the interest rate futures markets, we are seeing prices higher across the board, also in response to the CPI report. And it does appear that the Fed now is more likely to hike at the conclusion of its two-day policy meeting tomorrow by just 50 basis points, with a small probability of a 75 basis point hike. So the fundamentals and technicals still are very supportive to the interest rate futures markets across the board, across the curve, from the short end Eurodollar futures to the long end 30-year Treasury bond futures. I believe higher prices are likely for these markets. So good trading, everyone. Once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.